In this video, I'll be showing you how to search for hotkeys in 3ds Max. You can as well customize your own hotkey that suits your purpose. So all you need to do is simply go to Customize tab and click on Customize User Interface. Then in this dialog box, you are simply going to click on the keyboard. Here are the commands and the shortcuts. Some of them don't have shortcut assigned to it. So if it is something you use frequently, you can simply assign shortcut to it. And if you are looking for shortcut for a particular command that you always use, these are arranged in alphabetical order. For example, if you want to look for shortcut for material setup is M, but let's confirm. Let's simply go to MA, which is material editor. You can see the hotkey for material editor is M. Then if you want to do orbit, let's look for orbit. For example, ORB. Let's look for ORB, orbit. You can see the hotkey for orbit is Ctrl R. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I hit my control and add R to it, you see the orbit command has been activated. Can you see that? Let me press escape to go out of that command. Now you see that this is the icon for orbit, but using my hotkey, I can easily get to that command with ease. You see, this will help you to speed up your work. And if, for example, I want to go to material editor, all I need to do is to type M on my keyboard and the material editor will come out instantly. So this is how you use hotkeys in 3ds Max. As we go along in this training, we'll be using lots of hotkeys, and I will do my best to mention the hotkey I'm using so that you can also use them. And if you are confused, you can easily go to this place I've shown you now to get the hotkeys so that you can use it. As you use it regularly, it gets stick to your brain so that you can easily remember them. Though you cannot memorize all of them, but the command that you are always using frequently, try get used to those commands. I hope you have learned something from this training today. See you in the next video. Bye.